We can say that happiness is this, happiness is that, but one person who is happy, he or she only can to say what is meant to be happiness. It is not describable in words, or other person cannot literally describe it. Hello and namaskar to all my joyful and beautiful companion of one world. Hopefully you all are very good and doing great in your life. So today let's talk about what is happiness. According to you, what is happiness? In terms of life, your life energy or our life energy happening in most exuberant way than it normally happens, that is happiness. Then what is depression? Depression is our life energy is happening in more lower state and it is state. So happiness is the exuberance of the life energy. In the last 24 hours, if I am asking you that how many of hours happiness or joy you can do count 1 2 3 4 5 and it's end. But if you see that when you are 5 years old, when you are 10 years old, you are joyful and happy, enormous moment of time. It is countless. It is like that someone have to make you unhappy or miserable, then only you are unhappy. So in the life process, somehow that equation got reversed. It is not that people are not happy, they are happy, but it is that they cannot sustain that. So this is the problem. In the last 100 years, if you see, we are literally doing we are literally did the change of the face of the planet in pursuit of the happiness. In pursuit of the happiness, we have done in terms of education, career, business, everything. We are doing everything, we are do everything in pursuit of happiness, but really happiness is come? No. We have done phenomenal achievement in terms of science and technology, and great comfort and convenience come to us, but do that comfort and convenience bring happiness to us? Definitely not. We can say definitely that we are the most comfortable and convenient generation in the world, but can we say that we are the most happiest, most joyful generation? No. Then what is the meaning of this? In pursuit of happiness, we literally ripped up this planet, we literally bonfire to this planet, but happiness not come. In 100 years ago, what a royalty cannot even afford, today a literally normal human being, a common fellow man also, a common layman also can afford that things, but literally not happiness come. So happiness is what? Happiness is that you realize that you are alive and life is throbbing within you, and this life can only happen because of the larger and the cosmic geometries happening all the time to sustaining you. So we must to think that somehow it is like that when we are 5 years old, we are so many moment happy and joyful. No, it literally nobody, someone have to make us miserable and unhappy. But so in that way, when our age is much more progressing, it is like that we must to be more happy, but the equation is somehow reversed. So comfort and convenience come, but definitely not the happiness come. We are the most comfortable and convenient generation, but not joyful and happiest lovable generation ever. So we must to think, we need to think about this. So that's it from today's video. I hope you love this. No matter whatever happen in the outside world, you must to be always joyful and wonderful inside, always, and always stay healthy, happy, joyful and blessed. And always remember, in our life, if we do not do what we cannot do, no problem, but if we do not do what we can do, then literally we are a disaster. Make sure in your life you are not a disaster. Thank you so very much. Love you all.